Are you ever trying to tie a bow and you just can't get it to tie tight enough? I have a quick tip to share today that will really make your life easier. I'm Anna Helman. Thanks for being here. Let's take a look. Here I have a lovely card that I shared a while back with lots of fun tips and techniques on it. If you may be able to see the texture in the background, but around the edge down here, I tied some twine with a little bow. Now I have another one of these backgrounds here, and I wanted to use this as my example for how to use today's tip. How when I sometimes tie my string or my ribbon, whatever it is, around, and I want to tie that bow in with it, I just can't get everything to stay as tight as I want it to. So I have a great tip that hopefully will help some of you. If you have any interest in this card tutorial, I'm going to put a link for it in the video description below. Now here I want to show you what I mean. So let's say I have my twine right here, and now I'm trying to tie my bow, and I let go. And let's see if you can see this. Can you see that it's kind of loose down there? That may be hard to see, but I didn't get it tied very tight. Now what you want is somebody to help you and stick their finger there until you get it tied tight, right? That's the way to really get your bows tied nice and tight. But here is what you can do if you don't have somebody around who can tie for you. These are the reverse tweezers that are part of our Embossing Editions toolkit. I really like the tools in this kit. I use them when I'm doing my heat embossing for the most part, but these reverse tweezers are awesome, and there are a million different ways to use them. So I just wanted to show you here, while those are holding, I can tie my bow, and once I'm ready, pull them out, tighten that the rest of the way, and I get a nice tight bow. So this works with ribbon, it works with twine, it works with all sorts of things. But I just love these. And I'll mention this, I had used some other reverse tweezers before. The hold on these, the grip is so tight. I just love that because they're reverse tweezers, if you haven't seen these before, when I let go, they clamp down on there, and this hold is really nice and strong. So it makes it perfect for tying bows and ribbons and things like this, as well as some other uses. So if you are interested in this, I'll have a link to that toolkit in the video description below. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.